In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Steam game download location and install path. Whether you're running out of space on your primary C drive, you've just installed a brand new high-speed SSD, or you simply want to organize your massive gaming library across multiple hard drives, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Changing your default installation directory is one of the most important things you can do to manage your PC storage effectively and ensure your system drive doesn't get bogged down by massive modern game files. If this video helps you out today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more tech tips. Let's get started. First off, you need to open the Steam application on your computer. Once the interface has loaded, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the word Steam in the main menu bar. From the drop-down menu that appears, navigate down and click on Settings. This will open up a new window with all of your Steam preferences. On the left-hand sidebar of this settings window, you will see a variety of categories like Account, Friends, and Interface. You want to look for the one labeled Storage and click on it. This page is where Steam shows you a breakdown of all the games currently installed on your local drives and how much space they are taking up. Now, to change where your games are downloaded or to add a brand new location, look at the top of this storage section. You will see your current drive listed, and next to it a plus icon or an option to add drive. Click on that add drive button now. This will prompt a new window where you can select a different drive on your computer, such as an external hard drive or a secondary internal NVMe. If you already have a folder prepared, you can select it, or you can choose to create a brand new folder specifically for your Steam library on that drive. Once you have navigated to the correct location and chosen your directory from the drop-down menu or File Explorer, click on Select. Now that you have added a second drive, you might want to make it the primary spot where all future games are automatically installed so you don't have to choose it every single time you buy something new. To do this, look at the drive you just added in the storage list. Right next to the drive path, you will see a three-dot icon. Click those three dots and select the option that says Make Default. You will notice a small star or a default label will move to this new drive. This means from now on, whenever you hit the install button on a new game in your library, Steam will automatically target this folder and drive first. This is a huge time saver because it prevents you from accidentally cluttering your boot drive. It is also worth noting that from this same storage manager, you can move existing games between drives by checking the box next to them and clicking the Move button, which is perfect if you want to shift a game you are currently playing onto your fastest drive for better loading times. Managing your storage properly ensures your PC stays fast and your gaming experience remains smooth without constant low disk space warnings popping up in the middle of a session. And that is it. You have successfully updated your Steam installation path and set a new default drive for all your future downloads. If this video helped you organize your library better, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more easy to follow guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.